What's up guys, welcome back to my channel The Global Tongue. I'm your friend Sanjit Kumar Vishwakarma. Today I am here again with my new video, which is present perfect continuous tense questioning technique. So today we'll go a little further ahead and learn the questioning techniques in present perfect continuous tense. So before we start to talk about present perfect continuous tense questioning technique, we would need to remember our WH friends as well: what, why, where, when, and how long. And we also need to remember our friends. As you know that we have I, we, you, he, she, it, this, that, they, these, and those, and their friends: am, do, have, are, do, have, and then is, has, and does. So the formula for present perfect continuous tense questioning technique will be: we need WH plus has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing. So we need WH plus has or have plus subject plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. So what has she been doing since 9 o'clock? On how long has he been walking here? Where has she been riding to since 9 o'clock? And what has she been doing for 3 hours? And what has John been preparing since 5 o'clock? So whenever we think about questioning techniques, we need to remember since and for, and we also need how long here. So guys, if you have liked my video, kindly share, subscribe my channel, and give me a thumbs up, and let's meet in the next video. Bye bye guys.